Welcome to our latest project in Dennis, Massachusetts. Follow along as we take you through the process, starting with excavated footings, moving to the poured footings, and finishing with the installation of sturdy Lally columns for lasting structural support. Here, you can see the excavated footings reinforced with steel rebars for added strength and stability. These will undergo inspection before being poured with high-strength concrete, ensuring a solid and durable foundation. After receiving approval from the building inspector for the first phase, we moved on to pouring the footings. These footings, reinforced with steel rebar, are designed to support the new Lally columns and ensure the structural stability of the foundation. Using high-strength concrete, we create a solid base that will effectively distribute the load and prevent future settling. The Lally columns have now been installed, providing strong, reinforced structural support. Each column is ramset into the footing at the base, ensuring a secure and stable connection to the foundation. At the top, a Springfield plate is firmly bolted into the beam, locking the column in place and effectively distributing the load. This installation method enhances long-term stability and helps prevent future shifting or settling.